The Great Himalayan Traverse, a 100-day outdoor and environment-based semester in the Himalaya, is not for the faint-hearted. The semester aims to help students immerse themselves in the culture and natural history of the Himalayan regions of Ladakh, Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand, while learning practical skills such as leadership, teamwork and decision-making. By engaging in activities such as mountaineering, wilderness first aid, and targeted social service, students will gain hands-on experience and insight into topics such as environmental degradation, human-wildlife conflict, and conservation within the regions of the Western Himalaya. On the semester, students will spend 70% of time trekking, mountaineering, and service learning, while the remainder of the time will be spent engaging with local communities and traveling between locations.